guys, it's John from my Xpressions. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been quite a while since I've been anywhere near my YouTube channel. I've not posted anything in a while. I apologize. It's been quite a busy couple of months. Generally, it was already March and I haven't posted anything new. I actually don't know really what to post at this point anymore. I'm slowly running out of ideas. And because I was so behind on my collection videos last year, I was like literally doing July videos in December, so I don't even know if I should skip them this year or what I'm gonna do, but regardless of that, that's not the point of this video. I'm actually going to do a Pandora online catalog video. I have been meaning to do one on the two-tone drum. Love that charm. Given to me by the dear My Pretty Charmed Life, aka Nicole. Trying to take it off the bracelet here so I can get a close-up. I haven't done a, what is it? I haven't done a like online Pandora catalog video in a while, so I figured it'd be kind of nice to do one today. And again, I'm just putting the charm on to the rod. There we go. Here we are. And I have some information. Let's see. So I did a little bit of research on this charm. Just find the information on my phone real fast. It's been a little bit since like I said, I've been doing anything with my Pandora, with my YouTube channel. Where is it? Took so many photos. Oh, here we go. Okay. All right. So this charm's a little bit rough. I gotta clean it. I'm not sure what. See that line there? I'm not sure what's going on, but I have to clean it. I think I have to clean most of my charms. I haven't really been taking care of them lately. Okay, so this charm, based on my research, debuted or came out in 2008. Okay, 2008. We have the two-tone gold little drumsticks there. We have the actual drum here. Like I said, it's got some wear on it now because I have used it. I only wear it once a year. In December with my Christmas bracelet, as you guys could have saw, when I pulled it out. So again, this came out in 2008. Item number 79412. Now 2008, it could have been 2007. Of the information I have, like the catalogs I have saved on my Pinterest page. I just, kind of looking through them. I didn't find them in 2007, but it doesn't it's not like I have a 2007 catalog anymore. It's just kind of like bits and pieces of information that I've, gleaned over the years. 2008, so it could have been 2007, but it doesn't appear on the catalogs until 2008, from what I can see. And I think it left the collection in 2012. Again, these are just guesses. Because, I wasn't collecting, well, I was, but I wasn't a serious collector back then. 2008, let's see. I took it off the charm rod so you guys can see a close-up of the hallmarks. There you guys can see it. It says 925. Oh dear me. I'll be right back. Sorry about that, guys. Hubby was calling and he needed something, so I have to pause this. Anyways, getting back to the hallmarks. So 925 on one side right there. And then on the other side is the ALE, as you guys can see. Okay. Other than that, it doesn't really have any other distinguishing marks. I'm trying to give you your close-ups here so that in case you can get your hands on one and it's pre-loved, you're wondering, is this authentic? Hopefully this video can help determine whether the one you got is indeed authentic or not. Hopefully I've covered all of the angles. Where'd my little stopper go? There it is. Okay. Oh, I also forgot to mention too. I think the original price of this was $60. Let me double check that one more time. Yes, $60 was retail price for this, which is ridiculous now. I mean, that's quite a bit of gold. I bet you something like this would cost $100 now. I think it's worth about 60. And I think when it retailed, it may have retailed towards the end, like when it, I'm sorry, not retailed. I can't talk today, apparently. What I'm trying to say is in 2008, when it first came out, it was $60. I'm pretty sure in 2012, if that's when it got retired, it may have been 65 or still 60. I don't know. So it may be 60 or $65. If there was a price increase, I don't think there was. I don't know for sure. I don't remember. But that's how much it retailed for, 60, maybe 65 towards the end. I don't know. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this little Pandora online catalog that I have going on here. If you have any suggestions on what to feature next, let me know in the comments below. If I have the charm, I will be more than happy to showcase it for you. And of course, you guys can probably hear my dog in the background. There she is. Okay. She's doing okay today. She's doing good. Good day today, huh, baby? Yeah. Anyways, all right. Thanks again for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.